Chevrolet typically saves the ZR1 name for the most radical version of the Corvette. The first twin-turbocharged Corvette makes an astonishing 1,064 horsepower, is good for 215 miles per hour, making it the most powerful production US V8 ever made, according to Chevrolet. When Chevrolet moved the Corvette to a mid-engine layout, it sent a message to Porsche, McLaren, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. General Motors was ready to beat Europe's most exotic supercars at their own game. During testing, the ZR1 ripped off a sub-10-second quarter mile. Test drivers hit more than 200 miles per hour on the legendary Nürburgring racetrack, a formidable accomplishment right in the backyard of those European exotics. The new ZR1 uses the latest version of General Motors magnetic ride dampers, which can instantly and constantly tweak their firmness to absorb bumps while keeping the car glued to the road in curves. The standard ZR1 rides on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S high-performance tires with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels. Adding the track-focused ZTK package brings super sticky, track-ready Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, which have a rubber composition and tread pattern intended for closed courses rather than open highways. Chevrolet says the new Corvette ZR1 will enter production in 2025 at the company's Corvette-only assembly plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The automaker has not revealed how much it'll cost, but it's expected to be well above the 2024 Corvette Z06's roughly $115,000 base price. For more information on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs, visit the Capital One Auto Learning Center. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the Auto Navigator channels.